Okay, here is 5-point MBT2 intervention. I'm not going to do the first one. You're going to have to do that one on your own. You're going to calculate the following. Guys, just count the zeros. Here's your decimal. You're multiplying, so to the right, to the right, to the right. You're going to move this way to multiply, and I'm going to add 2 zeros. Okay, same thing here. I'm not going to do it with you. You're moving in this direction. In fact, you are moving in this direction for all of them. Pay attention that your decimal is after the last whole number. If you don't see a decimal there, it is after the whole decimal. Okay, I'm going to do this one, and the rest I'm going to expect you to do and check on your own. 42,000. And want to move it 3 places. 1, 2, 3. I put my zeros in. This now becomes 42 million. You will get to check your answers with me, but you need to finish the problems. Make sure you are moving in the right direction. The 5th grade classes are having a weekly readathon. If 64 students read 100 pages, how many pages will the 5th grade read in 1 week? You're multiplying, you're not dividing, because each one's reading it. So you're going to take 64 and you're timesing it by 100. That's the same thing as saying 64 times 10 to the second. And you are starting here and you're moving it 1, 2. So they will read 6,400. Okay. Looking up here. Actually, let's look at number 6. These 2 you can do on your own by explaining it. Number 6, you are going to move the decimal this way. Make sure you are moving it to the right for these 4 problems and to the left for these problems. You are starting with the decimal. You always start with the decimal. So I'm going to look at this division problem here at 52.7, and I'm dividing it 3 places. 1, 2, 3. My decimal now goes there, and I get 0.0527. My expectation is that you finish the rest of these knowing how to do this now. And number 7, for the perfect attendance field trip, students are going to an amusement park. The admission is $12.95. If 100 students are going on the trip, so I'm multiplying it, how much will that field trip cost? I don't actually have to physically multiply because it is hundreds and it is working in the base 10. I'm moving it twice because there's 2 spots. It's going to cost us $1,295 to go on that trip. My expectation is, once again, you will finish this worksheet, finish the back of the worksheet, and then come ask for the answer key. You can always go back and replay how to do this.